Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your TikTok draft videos is not showing in your draft section. So how you can do that? So simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that. So after just go back and just go to the general section and just go to software update. Let's update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after I scroll it down to the bottom and you see that there's an option of transfer reset iPhone, just tap on that and just tap on reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, we just go back and just go to the VPN and device management and just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back again back and after that settings, you just go to the TikTok and try to do that. You just simply just go back again and
मेरे
have to
साथ
make
जी
sure that
काशिफ
after
रैपर साहब
that your
मौजूद हैं।
setting which you are not gonna solve and your videos is not going on the draft section. Simply just tap on the TikTok app and you see that there's an option of remove app. Simply just remove from that section. If you don't have, after removing from the front, you just simply just go to that section and see that there's a TikTok. Just tap on that and you see there is an option of delete app. So you have to just delete the app from that section and just simply just go to the app store and just again the download of TikTok from here. Simply just tap on that and as TikTok, search a TikTok. So my Wi-Fi is gonna off during that. So I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Simply just go to that section and just go to the App Store and just search a TikTok and just download the TikTok app from here. And if you don't have a download and they're saying the option of update, so you make sure that you just update the latest latest TikTok version of in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So after that, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.